Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Hey everybody, it's Tom here, and that's right, I got the blue shirt on, so you know what that means. It is mail call time. This will be number 19. So that means show you guys some recent purchases, go over some projects, and just bring you up to speed on everything that's been going around since mail call 18. So first off, I guess we should talk about purchases. And the big one over my shoulder way back there was the Snap-on Epic 68-inch toolbox in supersonic blue. So that that drained my bank account, but you know, well worth purchase, and you know, one of those things on my bucket list that I've always wanted, a really nice toolbox that would stand the test of time. So I have got one. So needless to say, my Snap-on purchases for tools have been slim to none over the last couple weeks, but I have picked up a couple things. So I guess we can start off with finally broke down and decided to get one of their hammers. The reviews on these hammers, everybody just says these rock and roll. I just you know, it's kind of hard to swallow spending this kind of much money on a hammer. You know, all it does is hit things, but like I said, I've got a little bit of truck credit from my dealer selling my old toolbox, so I figured I'd pick one up and give it a try. This is a 32 ouncer, so this is a 2-pounder, and we'll see how she works, and I'll let you guys know on whether it hits things the way it's supposed to or it doesn't. But let's see what else we got. You know, the new colors came out, so besides their normal red, orange, and green colors, they've now added a blue, a purple, and yellow. I am not going to change all my tools over to other colors because purple is my favorite color, but I figured I'd splurge and just get one purple tool. This is the hard handle. It started life as a 1/4-inch drive socket, but some of the guys that I saw on YouTube, the trick is if you want a nice small but larger, this is a 3/8 now, so what we did is we removed the anvil, put a larger anvil in, and a new faceplate, so this is now a nice little 3/8 instead of a 1/4-inch drive ratchet. So it's come in handy to get in those small places, but you need a 3/8. So give this a try. And lastly, I picked up a pair of their pliers. These are the, I guess you'd say, they're Mac Daddy pliers, where the force is tripled from here to here. And they do several demonstrations on different YouTube channels, Snap-on dealers, about being able to grab it here, putting like a penny here, and then have somebody try to pull the penny out and they can't, and you're just using a little bit of force. So it triples it from here to here. So it's really nice, especially, I don't know if you guys experience like regular pliers where you try to grab like a cotter pin or something, and you pull and bink, you know, it just slides off, you know, doesn't grip it, and I mean, you're squeezing hard. So I figured I'd give these a try, and if you guys are curious, the part number on these is HL138ACP. So some cool pliers. I just picked these up. I hadn't had a chance to use them, so I'll be curious if you know, that grip is going to be you know, grabbing it 3 times its force. And let's see, only eBay purchase I've made is I just picked up a 6-inch scale with the groove in it, so I could put it in my center finder. That way I don't have to constantly change rules back and forth, because I keep it in the square. So that's the only purchase I got. This is just a knockoff, nothing special, since all I'm using it to is fine centers. And The elephant over here, if you guys have noticed, this is probably my screaming deal. Picked up this gorgeous dividing head. Got 3 plates in addition to the plate it came with, so I've got a total of 4 plates. The drive dog, and then also the tailstock to go with it. So, ain't she a cutie? God almighty. Talk about nice, good old iron here. And it also has a 5-inch Cushman chuck. So I've got a horizontal and vertical rotary table that can, do most stuff, but I ran across this. Obviously this is nice because you can drop it at any degree that you want, whereas the horizontal and vertical rotary table either is going to be at 0 or is going to be at 90, so you can't cut any angles. So I thought this was nice. Score, and I'm getting it for 200 bucks. Myself and Jim Deadman, you guys know Jim, he's got the YouTube channel, and a viewer named Mike Hale. We all made a road trip out to a small town about 30 minutes from here and visited a guy he had bought out a machine shop, and he was selling all the stuff that he didn't want, and he had a ton of stuff. So this is the only thing I scored, but Jim found about $200 worth of stuff. He got some wavy parallels, some gauge blocks, some measuring equipment, and some other knickknacks. And Mike, he scored pretty well too. He got him some mics and a whole bunch of other stuff I can't remember, but he ended up buying about $300 worth of stuff. Oh, he did get a nice Famco 3-ton arbor press, so that was a good score for him. So yeah, we all made out pretty well, and we helped this guy out, lighten his load, and put some cash in his pocket. So I think it was a win-win situation for everybody. So that's the only purchases. Now, I don't know if you guys watch Clayton L Harper's channel. He's a home shop machinist. Well, what he did is he made a couple scribes on his channel, and after he made them, he had a contest to enter, and he was giving them away. So I said, hey, throw my name in the hat. I'd love to have one. And lo and behold, I was one of the winners. So thank you very much, Clayton. I appreciate it. It's a nice scribe. It is going to live in my apron pocket. So you guys will be seeing me using this on upcoming videos. And if you don't subscribe to Clayton's channel, go over there, check him out, see what he's got going on there, and give him a sub. I know he'd appreciate it. And let's see, their rotary table build. I hope you guys enjoyed the rotary welding table build. I had a good time making it. It was a fun project, and I can't wait to use it. It should be fun to use, make the welds better, prettier. You don't have to constantly start and stop and rotate your piece of stock that you're working on. So this way you can just hit the auto or hit the foot pedal and continually to lay those beads. So I think that was a fun build. I appreciate you guys hanging on with that 8-part series. And let's see, upcoming projects. Currently working on a 1973 Bronco. It's not really machinist related, but we are going through the rear axle. It was in sad shape, and doing a couple other things. So look for that upcoming project if you like old 4-wheel drive vehicles. And upcoming, we've got a fire pit cover build. I've got to do that because it's getting fall, and we want to use our new fire pit. So I got the material over there in the corner or on the side there. I don't know if you can see it from the wide angle or not, but I did mention that, I think, in the rotary welding table build number 7 of all the stuff I got going on. And Brad, my buddy Brad's brought me a couple projects, so we've got to fix his mud flaps. He backed into a tree, so he bent it, and we've got to fix that. And he's also got a center console that he wants to fabricate out of a large ammo can, so we may be filming that too. So anyways, just a short mail call, just give you guys some updates and show you what I've got and recent purchases. And I just want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys finding the channel and hitting that subscribe button. Give me thumbs up. I appreciate that. Leave comments. I always love talking to you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just hit that red subscribe button down there. YouTube doesn't charge you nothing. It doesn't cost you a dime. It's free. So that way we can get this count up, because I'd like to hit that mile marker of 500, because I've got some goodies over there on the table. So we can do a 500 subscriber draw. So one lucky winner is going to get some cool stuff. And with that, I will say see you later, guys. Take care. Bye.